Welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I came to AutoZone to buy some windshield wipers for 4Runner. The driver side is 24 inches and passenger side is 20 inches, so be careful when you buy the windshield wipers. Reason why I'm buying it is because my windshield wiper is getting ripped and it's in bad quality on both sides, drivers and passengers, as you can see. Easy uninstall, just pop that little lever and all you have to do is pull it down and push it up and it just comes off that easy. Clip that and grab it, push it down and up and it just comes off. So there's the damage, it's getting ripped. So this is the Bosch icon. Look at the design, so it forms better to the glass than the genuine Toyota windshield wipers. So you just have to unclip the top, it just comes off easy. Push it through that hole and make it tight and just clip it in. Press it up. That's it, that simple. And it looks really good, really slim and good. See, the passenger side is much shorter. So passenger side is 20 inches, driver side is 24 inches. So you go through that hole and put that hook onto that windshield wiper and push it up until it clicks and just close the plastic lid. That's it, that easy. Just maybe 3 minutes of work and much better quality when you are using the windshield wipers. Look at that, no streaks, 0 streaks, no noise, no squeaking. It was just amazing. So don't just upgrade, but if you have to, go for the Bosch icons. Thank you.